Hi doctors, welcome to my new video. This is regarding the German language program. I hope you've seen my earlier video which was about the requirements that you have to do your PG in Germany. Today we are going to talk about the language requirements, what is the German language levels and what is it that you guys need to do your medical study or to grow in your medical career in Germany. One of the most frequently asked questions to my team and I is that do we have to learn German language to progress our career or studies in Germany? So doctors, yes, you have to learn the German language. It is as good as you have to when you are doing a practice in Telangana or in Andhra Pradesh, you should know Telugu. You go to West Bengal, you have to learn Bengali, you have to speak Bengali. So it's just like that when you're going to Germany, you have to learn German. So when you get into the process of learning the language, you'll come across different levels of proficiencies in German language. Generally, all the European languages have 6 levels of proficiencies, which are divided as A1, A2, B1, B2, C1 and C2. A is a very basic level where they teach you more of alphabets and single short 2-3 word sentences, and B is where you start the conversation, and C definitely is the highest proficiencies. For any doctor or any student who's looking at going to Germany for maybe studies or maybe for career, they have to reach a level of C1 proficiency and get themselves certified in this level to progress further or to start the process or to get into the process that they're looking to move into. The next question that immediately pops up says, do we do all the levels in India or do we have to do it in Germany? So to this doctor, what we always suggest is that you go up to B1 level in India. So A1, A2, B1 done in India. By that time your process is also happening and your visa documents are getting ready. And B2 and C1 should actually be done in Germany because that helps you. These are the higher levels of proficiency and that will help you understand the accent that is being used in the language, in the conversation. It will help you understand the different phrases or local lingo. There's a flavor of the local language, so that you get a capture of only when you are in the native country. So we strongly suggest that you do A1, A2, B1 in India. C1, B2 and C1 are to be done in Germany. Along with that, for doctors, the language of doctors is very different. I mean, the medical terminologies are not a day-to-day lingo or a language. So you have to certify yourself in a program wherein you are learning the medical terminologies in German language, and then you get yourself certified, based on which your further process moves on. So where do you learn the language from? Is it some particular institute to do it or some particular place, authorized place that you do it from? Doctors, you can learn the language from anywhere that you want. You can do an online course, you can do an offline course, you can join any good institution which has a good standing in the market, which has a history of teaching German language, which has probably sent doctors abroad, that kind of an institution. But you can learn the language anywhere. Having said that, your examination or certification can happen only at authorized institutions. Otherwise, your visa wouldn't be cleared. The most popular institute, that is the place where students write the exams, German certification exams, is Goethe Institute. So Goethe Institute is present in 11 cities in our country. It is the most popular place where everyone goes to give the exams. It is in Delhi, it is in Mumbai, it is in Calcutta, it is in Chennai, it is in Bangalore, Pune, Hyderabad, Trivandrum, Coimbatore, Chandigarh. Did I cover 11? I think, yeah, Ahmedabad also, it is there. So you've got these 11 destinations where Goethe is available. So study language anywhere, but certify yourself from Goethe. You should strongly consider our live online classes. We've got exclusively customized classes for doctors, right from A1 to C1 for all the levels. To give you an understanding of how much time it might take, our classes for A1 take close to around 6 to 7 weeks, for A2 it takes close to around 6 to 7 weeks, for B1 it takes close to around 2 months or so, roughly 8 to 9 weeks, and for B2 also around the same time, and C1 also comes to close to around 10 weeks kind of a time frame. So this is the duration for the entire, for all the levels. Of course, you wouldn't be doing all of them in India. So A1 to B1, as we were talking earlier, you would take close to around 5 months of time frame is what is good for you to plan for learning your language in India. One more factor regarding the certification of exams that you have to be very careful about is that it's not that whenever you seek a date to give the certification, you get a date and you can just walk in and give the exam and that's done with. No, it doesn't happen that way. You literally would have to search for dates in different Goethe centers. Of course, if you are with us, we help you in getting those dates. You would have to search for it. Sometimes it may take a month or maybe month and a half before you get a date for the exam. And after you get the date for the exam, it might take you maybe 20 days or 15, 20 or maybe a month's time to get the result. So be very clear that if you are giving a certification exam, you cannot expect the certificate to come in your hand in the next 1 week or 10 days. It can take up to 2 months. So 1 to 2 months is a good time frame for you to plan to get the certificate after you've completed your level, proficiency level, learning the proficiency level. I hope I was able to clear a lot of doubts that you had around the language learning process related to German. And if you still have any questions, please put them in the comment box below. We would definitely revert to you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our videos. We'll keep coming out with such small snippets, give you small informations which will help you understand the entire process. Our social links, our contact details are in the description. Don't hesitate to contact us. Our WhatsApp link is given there. Just reach out to us and my team and I would be more than happy to help you.